You must do the things you think you cannot do. Happiness is not a goal, it's a byproduct of a life well lived. We are afraid to care too much, for fear that the other person does not care at all. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Campaigns behavior for wives: always be on time. Do as little talking as humanly possible. Lean back in the parade car so everybody can see the president. For it isn't enough to talk of peace, one must believe it. And it isn't enough to believe in it, one must work at it. It is better to light a candle than curse the darkness. A woman is like a tea bag. You can't tell how strong she is until you put her in hot water. It takes as much energy to waste as it does to plan. The giving of love is an education in itself. The purpose of life is to live it, to taste experience to the utmost, to reach out eagerly and without fear for a newer and richer experience. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. You gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you really stop to look fear in the face. Great minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events. Small minds discuss people. Do the things that interest you and do them with all your heart. People go through experience if they meet life honestly and courageously. This is how character is built. Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you'll be criticized anyway. You'll be down if you do, and then if you don't.